This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sherry Iverson. Spacious 4-bedroom home with a brand new roof. Room to roam with nearly 2,000 square feet of living space. Versatile floor plan offers a very big living room/dining room combination plus a sunny eat-in kitchen with adjoining family room. Large cage patio brings the outside in. 4 bedrooms provide a lot of options for office use, growing family or in-laws to find a private spot. Kitchen is very well laid out and features an island, a pantry, and a lot of natural light. Indoor utility room has a large closet for extra storage and leads out into a full 2-car garage. Private backyard with no neighbors directly behind you. Braden Crossings is centrally located between SR70 and University Parkway just off Lockwood Ridge Road. Imagine living steps away from shopping and restaurants, and within just a short drive to the airport, UTC Mall or the beach. All that is needed is a few updates and cosmetic touches to make this home a masterpiece. Bring your ideas. For more information, review the details below.